I seriously think this could outdo the bun. I mean, it's literally been just a few minutes since I put very cold water in there. And see, now it clicks off because it's already hot and ready to go. Is that not the coolest thing?
Hey guys, I want to share with you this electric kettle here. So this is touted as a fast boil kettle. It did unfortunately take 8 to 9 minutes, which in my book is not super fast. You can stop it, of course, in the middle of its process. It was about 190 degrees in the middle of it at about 4 minutes, and at the end it was 207 degrees. There is one temperature setting only, and you just want to be aware of that when you're purchasing it. So this did start to violently boil, and it was really concerning for me because the kettle started to shake back and forth, and so I thought maybe it would explode. It didn't though. The blue light will illuminate until it's done boiling, and then you will see it click off, and then essentially the boiling will calm down and you're ready. But I would just really pay attention to that max fill line so that you don't have any problems or boiling over, because that could be really scary. So overall, I found that this was a really nice kettle. I like it. It serves my purposes, and especially for $16.99, it was a really great deal. I hope you found this helpful. I wish you well and happy shopping. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.